A guide to changing the batteries in your light-up Ladderball set. To install the batteries in your light-up Ladderball targets, unscrew the battery door and insert 2 AAA batteries. Screw the battery door back on and repeat for all 3 battery doors. Slide the switch to turn the lights on. Repeat for the other target. To change the batteries in your light-up Bolos, insert the stem of the Bolo into the battery door on the second Bolo, turning counterclockwise to unscrew the battery door. Insert 2 AG10 or LR1130 batteries with the positive side facing up. Using the stem of the Bolo, rotate the cap clockwise to close the battery door. Repeat for all Bolos. Tighten the battery door to turn the light on, and now you're ready to play. To turn the light off, rotate the cap counterclockwise to loosen the battery door.